Hi. So this is the daily setup that we are going to discuss for 7th of April. So the session which went by was quite choppy up to 12 o'clock today, and after that the momentum and direction picked up quite well, and we were able to trade some decent amount of gains. With respect to the session for tomorrow, which is 7th of April, this video will be divided into 5-step video. So we are going to discuss the first pattern formations. As we see on the chart, there are multiple pattern being formed. There's symmetrical triangle pattern, then we have the downward sloping pattern. Quite many confluence are getting created out here. If you see, we are trading just in between the patterns. The level of 32,750 almost indicates a breakout of the pattern to the upside. Okay, uh, would be a decent amount of trade if you do manage to capture the trade at the long side about 32,750 odd, which indicates a target of around 33,130 odd. Okay, but in between there's a OI resistance which will be caught at 33,000 strike, which is somewhere around here. So be a bit cautious tomorrow that even if it breakouts, then just keep trailing your profits and ensure you book partial lots of your entire position. With respect to the breakdown, as we see, it is a symmetrical triangle pattern formation, which is unbiased sort of a pattern. If at all it breaks down tomorrow, approximately the levels would be around somewhere around 32,350 odd. You can expect the target to be around 31,900 to 31,800. Okay, in between we do have one of the support formations out here, which is 32,300. So it will be ideal that you wait, either you make an aggressive entry at 32,380, or you make an assertive entry somewhere around 32,270 or 280 odd. But be mindful that even if you make an entry out here, 32,000, which is somewhere around here, might take a support, which is again an OI support. Okay, we discussed the pattern formations here. We discussed the OI resistance and support out here. As you can see, there is a couple of fib retracement being formed here. So even if we are trying to make a bit of bounce to the upside, there are possibility that it may again may make a reversal and continue, or rather resume the fall. Number three, strikes to be entered. So if you are making an entry around 32,750 plus as a long entry, you can enter with the CE up to 32,900. So you can either choose 32,700, 800, or 900. Try to avoid 33,000 strike, which will mostly attract the option sellers to add on to their own more short positions as the premium gets added to it. Similarly, if you are entering into short position somewhere around 32,380 or 350 odd, or rather you're waiting for the support to be broken and entering around 32,770 or 270 odd, then you can enter up to the strike of 32,100. So you can either choose 32,200 PE or 32,100 PE. Try and avoid the PE of 32,000 exactly, because again the same theory and same logic applied out there. Um, Fourth, overall trend of the market, we on a short term basis, we are a bit negative on the market. There will be a couple of bounces, there will be a couple of retracements that we will be witnessing on the chart, but overall trend of the market is yet negative. Overall ground for tomorrow, okay, do make a note that tomorrow is the RBI monetary policy, one of the day where we expect high volatility, a day where the IV spikes up quite high. So on an average, we trade it in the range of 35% to 44% odd on the bank nifty since past 2 weeks. But on the RBI monetary policy, it can shoot up to 50 plus or 60 odd plus, depends upon the volatility that picks up. So be watchful for that as well. In case if you see the IVs to be spiking up really very high, it is best to avoid the trade as an option buyer. Okay, we just wait for the announcement to be done, and just check the IVs around it. Most likely tomorrow is going to be a sort of a very volatile session and a choppy session, so be ready for that. This was with respect to the setup for tomorrow. Key things to remember while you are trading: number one, margin and position sizing; number two, managing your position and profits or other loss; number three, ensuring your loss quota; and number four, and most important, the psychological aspect. Okay, You can join me at Triple Eight Trade Telegram channel for the live trades with explanations and real-time hand holding. I will be taking care of technicals and prompt you on managing the positions while in profit or loss. But be prepared psychologically on every front of the trading, especially when the day is expected to be very choppy. All the best. See you on the ground.